history that fit inside the frame, the heroes and the dates and the glory of the name. We learn the wars we won and why we had to fight. We learn the comfortable story in the comfortable light. The parts that didn't fit were set aside with care. Not lies exactly, just a silence here and there. A chapter that went missing from the book we read in school. A face that wasn't painted in the portrait of the rule. The comfortable story leaves someone outside. The comfortable story needs somewhere to hide. The things that we erase to make the picture clean are someone's actual life, someone's actual grief. The comfortable story, the comfortable story costs more than we've said. There was a woman at the founding we don't name. There was a people on the land before we came. There was a labor in the building we preferred not to record. There were the ones who paid the price we called the price of moving forward. I'm not here to burn the story down to ash. I'm not here to say that everything we built is trash. I'm here because the ones left out of history's comfortable frame were people, real people, and they had a name. The comfortable story leaves someone outside. The comfortable story needs somewhere to hide. The things that we erase to make the picture clean are someone's actual life, someone's actual grief. The comfortable story, the comfortable story costs more than we've said. The child in the schoolroom learns the version that we keep, the one that lets the nation and its conscience go to sleep. And I understand the need to give a child a place to stand, a story that is bearable, a history they can hand from generation forward without flinching in the dark. But the child grows up and the comfortable story starts to crack, and the crack lets in the faces and the voices and the names of the ones whose lives were edited to make our glory play. The comfortable story leaves someone outside. The comfortable story needs somewhere to hide. The things that we erase to make the picture clean are someone's actual life, someone's actual grief. The comfortable story, the comfortable story costs more than we've said. I've watched the arguments about what children ought to know. I've seen the books removed and heard the reasons why they go. And every time I hear the words too young, too hard, too much, I hear the comfortable story pulling history from our clutch. Not to protect the children from a weight they cannot bear, but So here is what I'm asking, which is harder than it sounds. Can we hold the pride and hold the grief on the same grounds? Can we love the things worth loving in the story that we share, and still make room for those whose story wasn't there? Not to diminish what was built, but to complete it. Not to burn the house of history, but to open up the rooms that have been locked since we decided that the comfort of forgetting was worth more than the truth. The comfortable story leaves someone outside. The comfortable story